How to fix Discord update failed retrying. First things first is click your Windows button, then type in Task Manager. Now from here, all you gotta do is to locate your Discord app right here. Right click on it and then click on Go to Details. Now once you're here, click on any of those Discord icons, right click and go to Set Priority. Now you have to make sure that your set priority is set up to high. Now once you set up the priority to high, you gotta go back to processes, scroll down, and then find Discord again. Right click and then end task. Now next troubleshooting step is go back to your Windows button again, type run, and then enter. So type this message percent local app data percent, then click OK. Once you're here, go to your Discord folder, or you can also search it here. Double click, and then under the update icon right here on your Discord folder, just right click on it and rename. So update dot old. And then once you hit enter, all you have to do is to restart your PC. Now, upon restart is successful, you gotta have to rerun your Discord app again. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix update, loading, keep trying.